Want to add links inside Tooltips in Gravity Forms? With the Tooltips for Gravity Forms plugin by Wpmonks, you can easily include clickable HTML links. The download link for the plugin is in description. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Forms, Booster, and select the form where you want to add the tooltip. Click the Tooltips tab, then choose the field you want to edit. In the tooltip content box, paste this HTML. Replace with the URL you want. Remove target_blank if you don't want the link to open in a new tab. Click Save. Now preview your form. When users click the tooltip, they will see a clickable link right inside. Perfect for linking to terms, help docs, or extra details, all inside from your form. Get the tooltips for Gravity Forms from the link in the description.